Welcome back to the channel, people. I know in my last video I said I was going to be more consistent with making videos, but I have a bad problem with procrastination. And as you know, as the saying goes, they say procrastination is the killer of dreams. And right now my dreams are on life support. But you know what? I'm trying to get better at that. It's a daily process, it's a daily struggle, but I'm putting in the work to get better at that. Anyways, that's neither here nor there, people. Today, I want to introduce you to this NEWDERY power bank. It's a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank, very portable, small in size. I've had this for a few months now. That goes back to that procrastination thing. And I've been using this as my daily charger. Now, let me tell you something, people. This has been my main go-to charger for my phone, my AirPods, and my Apple Watch. And it does have a magnetic quick charge feature, multiple charging options, and its lightweight design make it a perfect charger that you will want to keep around all the time. So if you're tired of bulky chargers, tangled cables, and you're in the market for a new portable charger that you didn't know that you needed, then maybe this NEWDERY charger might be right for you. So stick around. Let's talk about this for a second.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so you can pick this product up on Amazon or the NEWDERY website. And actually, I do have the site up right here. And as you can see, it does go for $40. And also on Amazon, it'll go for $40 as well. But one thing that I did notice on Amazon that is a little bit different is that you do have this all black version. As you can see, the top one has the yellow cords. This one at the bottom has black cables and without the yellow stripe and the yellow button. If it was up to me, I probably would have gotten the all black one, but I probably should have put this in the beginning of the video. Shout out to NEWDERY for sending this over to me for review. Like always, my thoughts, opinions about this charger will be completely unbiased. I wouldn't have it any other way when I come to reviewing these products. Back to this item right here. Like I said, I would have chose the all black one, but either way, either one looks pretty dope to me. NEWDERY website, Amazon, $40. That's all you need to know right now. And so this NEWDERY portable charger is a 10,000 milliamp charger. Like I said earlier, it has built-in cables, 22.5 watt fast charging, external battery pack with LED display. It charges an Apple Watch. I don't think it charges any other watch, to be completely honest with you, but then it also can charge up any device that takes USB Type-C or your lightning cable. And before I do unboxing, let me go around this box really quickly. So on the back side, it gives you your product specification, name, model, battery type, battery capacity, Type-C port input, Type-C port output, and you can probably pause this video to read the rest of that. On the right side, it says with dual fast charging lines, 3 inputs, 1 output, quick charge 3.0, 22.5 watt plus PD 20 watts, LED display, and once again, 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. On the inside, as you unbox this, it's very minimal, to say the least, which I expect. It's just a charger, nothing much to see here. You have your user manual. We will not get into that. You have your USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. And then you have the star to show people. Here is your 10,000 milliamp hour portable charger from NEWDERY with the yellow cables, not the black ones. And as you can see on the front side, the first thing that stands out is that the top portion of this portable charger is see-through. I've noticed that in the charging world that this is like a new wave that's going through the charging world. I guess in tech products in general, people want to see what's on the inside. You have D brand making skins for the inside of stuff, other chargers doing the same thing. You have the different companies making see-through earbuds and stuff like that. I like the look personally, so I have no problems with that. As you can see at the top of this, you have your NEWDERY logo, you have your power button, you push that, and then your LED display will light up. Right here is the Apple Watch charging surface. On the top side, you have your USB Type-C port. It says USB Type-C 1 in and out, so you can take this cable to charge this up, and then you also can take this cable, plug it in here, and put it into something else, and you can charge up something else. Underneath that, it says 22.5 watts. So that's talking about the port right here. And then you have your USB Type-C charging cable and then your lightning cable as well. And they are tucked in nicely on the back side right here so that you're not worrying about looking for a cable. It's always with you at all times. Now, I know in a few years from now, this Lightning cable might be obsolete for most people, so that's probably something you might want to think about before you end up purchasing this. Very compact size, 10,000 milliamp hour. If you're looking for a portable charger, you cannot beat this one when it comes to the versatility, the price, the size, all of that. So I did want to mention that this is compatible with all Apple Watch models. No more tangled cables, just snap your watch onto the magnetic charger and go. Also, this can charge your Apple Watch back up 10 full times, your iPhone about 1.5 times, and your AirPods up 15 times. And I did forget to mention that with this 22.5 watt port up here, it will only take around 3 hours to charge this thing back up if you do end up draining the battery. And lastly, this NEWDERY battery pack right here also comes with an intelligent chip that guards against over discharge, overcharge, short circuits, and overheating. It's like having a personal charging bodyguard, plus plain friendly, so you can take it anywhere. I didn't write that last line about the personal charging bodyguard. I think that was ChatGPT. All right, people, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and put this into action so that you can see all the different devices that it can charge at the same time. So let's go ahead, throw my Apple Watch on here first. And it's not on because I need to push the power button. So as soon as I push the power button, it starts charging right away. We have my phone. Go ahead and hook my phone up in there. That's charging 77%. This is my Pixel 6 Pro. Put that in. Okay, so that's charging. This is charging. Watch is charging. USB Type-C port right here. And then we do have some other earbuds right here. Hook that up. And it's charging. I have 2 phones charging right here. I also have another set of earbuds charging and my Apple Watch charging all at the same time. So 4 items all at the same time, but just to let you know, you will not be able to charge up all of these to max capacity with this one charger. My personal use when it comes to this charger is that I just use it to get my watch charged back up, or to get my AirPods charged back up, or my phone charged back up. I don't normally charge up multiple things at the same time with this, just simply because I'm very good at making sure my items are charged up at all times. So when I do need to charge something up, it'll be a single item at a time and not utilize the full capability of this charger. Another thing that I did want to show you is that if you don't have an Apple Watch, you can still use this surface to charge up other items. Like here are AirPod Pros. I can throw this on here, and you heard that chime, it'll charge up my AirPod Pros. I think it works because there's magnets in the back of this charging case. So you can use the magnetic surface on here. It'll stick to it and it will charge it up. Yes, it's intended just for Apple Watch, but you can use it to charge some AirPods. Yeah, people, and with that being said, that is my full review, full first impressions. I guess it's not a full review if it's just a first impressions and an unboxing, which what I mostly do. You want to see a review, you probably need to go over to MKBHD's page, because that man is the truth when it comes to reviews. I'm just a unboxing and first impressions type channel, to be completely honest with you. So look, people, at the end of the day, it's all about personal preference when it comes to picking out a portable charger that best fits your needs. 10,000 milliamp hours works for me. But if you need more juice, then NEWDERY has those options. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go on the NEWDERY website, under their portable chargers, and I have links for everything down below, you have all of these different items right here for their portable chargers. And to be completely honest with you, I think I'm going to be picking up this 20 watt fast charging travel pack, simply because it's double the battery life of this one. And it is a little bit bigger, but it also comes with the cables on there as well. And it has 2 ports on top. So I'll probably be picking that one up, maybe doing a review on that as well. But like I said, right now, this 10,000 milliamp hours is good enough for me, but NEWDERY does have options, as you can see right here. And that's all I got for you, people. That was my full unboxing and first impressions of this NEWDERY 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button, like this video, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. And as always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.